Okay, so this is the bracket for the camera. Okay, so on this bracket you need to fit the camera that you have purchased. Okay, now this need to be fixed on the wall. Then you have to put a screw. Okay, just put a screw and first make 3 holes, fit the bracket to the wall and put these 3 screws. Okay, so once you put the 3 screws, you can see there is a lever here. Okay, you can loosen this lever to rotate this portion, the head of the screw. So here you have to fix the camera. You can see there is a hole here where you can fit the screw of the camera. Okay. Okay. So now you can see now the head of the bracket is fitted to the camera. Next, put this lever portion. Then you can just tighten the camera. Okay, so this is how the camera will look when you mount the bracket on the wall.